take Leon to be your husband and partner, your partner in love, your partner in life, and your partner in crime?
I do.
Do you take Claire to be your wife and partner, your partner in love, your partner in life, and your partner in crime?
I do.
With this ring, I pledge my love to you. Leon, you are the one who shares my love, my life, and my dreams. I give you this ring with pride and joy, and as a ring has no end, neither shall my love for you.
With this ring, I pledge my love to you. Claire, you're the one who shares my life, my love, and my dreams. I give you this ring with pride and joy, and as the ring has no end, neither shall my love for you.
Presenting to you, Mr. and Mrs. Cardy Hart. Leon, you may kiss your bride, and Claire, you can kiss him right back.
Now for a few snippets about Claire. You are kind, sincere, caring and adorable, and that's why everyone here wants a piece of you. When I was first expecting you, Wet, Wet, Wet were number one for 15 weeks with the song Love Is All Around Us. An appropriate song for today, and the band named too as All Day on the day that you were born. You two, as you said earlier, you are great friends and you know each other so well. You share so many good times together, whether it's a pop concert, a holiday, or maybe a walk in the countryside admiring the sunsets. Well, what more can I say than congratulations? Ollie, me, everyone, all of us here today, we are so proud of you. We are so proud of both of you. And I'd like to finish by saying something that was said to Paul and I on our wedding day. We are all here for you.
We've both been planning this wedding for over 2 years now. And when I say we, obviously, I mean Claire. Almost everything that you see here today has been planned and managed by Claire. So a massive thank you for Claire for managing this.
Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can, 'cause it shows me the faith.
Thank you for my parents for being here today, over there, and my nan as well, who's there. And also my brothers and sisters who have come out today. You all look fantastic, and thank you for coming out. And to all Claire's bridesmaids, you all look beautiful today. And thank you for being a fantastic friend to Claire over all these years.
Well, firstly, what I wanted to say was, Claire, you look beautiful today in front of everybody. Leon, you look better than you did on your stag do. Yeah. So, for those who don't know me, I'm Dan, Leon's best man. When he asked me to be his best man, I felt honoured and I had to say yes. I've known Leon since the start of secondary school, as he's mentioned. So he's asked me to talk about what a great guy he is, but I don't want to lie to you all. We've had many New Year's Eve parties over the years where his house was the place to be. He would wear a variety of different checkered shirts to the extent he would be known as a farmer. Please join us in raising a glass to the happy couple, Claire and Leon.
Grab a hand and make this day our march. Pulling down the walls we cross, fighting through the wars we lost, looking for the day when we have won. Whoa. All you need, this whole world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. We could change the world if we would just believe. 'Cause faith and love is all you need. This whole world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. Yeah, we could change the world